Disc rupture damaged his spine to the point where he is paralyzed from his waist down. He's also unable to control his bowels and bladder. He's very happy, and we love him a lot, but this is what we do to take care of him now. The way we have it set up, he has a kennel that has towels in it, and he wears a diaper to keep the mess to a minimum. We have a water bottle attached to the front so he can drink water as often as he needs to stay hydrated. We have his kennel strapped to a table that is an adjustable height table. We put a pad in to keep the two different plastic, the plastic of the kennel and the plastic of the table, from allowing it to slide around. We used a rubber exercise mat. The table's legs fit perfectly into the bottom of the tub. The table came from Costco. The kennel came from PetSmart. We have everything staged to deal with him ahead of time so that you can always have one hand on the dog, one hand on what it is you're doing to clean him. And this is him drinking. He knows what's about to happen, so he gets a little anxious, but he's very used to the routine. We have a puppy training pad, a large, extra large one, that we use to catch any urine or poo that might come out when we are exercising him and cleaning him. There is a softer mat that is absorbent on one side and keeps the fluid from going through on the other side. We have a towel to dry his body off after washing him. We have towels to dry his kennel out. We have disinfectant spray and wipes with Clorox in them for wiping out his kennel. We have his diaper ready. We have a baby diaper genie to collect his diaper and to keep the smells in the house down to a minimum. We have a flip-top butt paste. It's called Boudreaux's butt paste. It works the best to keep his rashes down. We have an open trash can so we don't have to do anything with our hands. What makes most things possible for us is this shampooing system. The way this shampooing system works is there is a high and low spray and a bathe, and inside it we have the shampoo that we use. Sometimes we use an oatmeal shampoo. Has an on and off water spray button on the side, and the cord has flexible at the handle of the spray nozzle, and the cord goes to our nozzle. We had to go to the department store and buy metal fittings because plastic fittings, when warm water runs through, they get too soft and they break off and water sprays everywhere. So use a metal fitting. That is a fitting from faucet to hose, and then the hose, it already has the correct fitting to the bottom of the spray system. Now I will set up the room. Right now the floor is bare, his kennel is closed, and everything is staged as we usually leave it. Now I'll set up the floor and then get his kennel ready for his bath. As you can see, I haven't done anything for the dog, for our dog. His name is Grunt. He's still in his kennel. Kennel is still crated. Everything is safe. What I've done is pre-staged the setting for cleaning him and drying him and putting a new diaper on. The diaper genie is open. The paste that we use on his tail is open. The soft pad and the absorbent pad are placed on the floor. His diaper is ready, and a drying towel is ready. The importance of doing all these things ahead of time is so that you can keep one clean hand and one hand that you're using on his diaper and his tail and his body, so that you don't have to touch surfaces after dealing with wiping his bottom which would spread, dirt or bacteria from surface to surface. So try to keep one clean hand that you touch things with, or make everything set up so that you don't have to touch anything. It's all ready and waiting for you. And now I will open his kennel and bathe him using the bathing system. First I remove the water bottle so that his door is flat. I loosen the clamp on his strap. Remove the strap and put it away from here so it doesn't get dirty. Take the door completely off. And I hang it on the post that used to be a shelf that we had in our bathroom. Now I'm able to remove the lid of his kennel and get it completely out of the way. We have learned placing the door loosely back onto the kennel is enough to keep our dog from wanting to try to jump out. The next thing is I turn the kennel to allow runoff to go into the tub as he's bathed. Now it's time to remove his bedding, and if there is no wetness on his bedding, then it's actually could be reused. So lifting him one at a time, rolling the bedding up, and getting it out of the way.